What demands are there on a high-tech lock for the highest security requirements? Flexibility in access authorization, simplicity in assembly and handling, maintenance-free, robust, and above all, safe. The pylocx locking system best meets these requirements. It was developed for the BSI. The interface on site is a vandalism-free stainless steel panel. The system is closed via a small mobile keyboard, the pyKey. The locking mechanism itself does not require a power supply. The pyKey is magnetic. As soon as it touches the panel, it supplies the contact point with power and encrypted data. The lock then checks whether the pyKey and the lock belong to the same family. That is, whether the lock can be opened at all by this pyKey. If this is the case, the pyKey requires an 8 to 10 digit PIN to open the lock. The user receives this PIN from software stored in a secure database. It is hosted in a server center, at your site or at STUV. The PIN is forgery-proof. Out of almost 10 billion combinations, there is only one correct PIN at any given time. Each time the lock is opened, the correct PIN changes for the next lock opening. How does it work? Unlike other providers, no radio or RFID is used here. Instead, the software calculates the PIN using a secret and individual algorithm. The ID of the lock and pyKey, the counter number of the locking processes, and the identification of the special database family are used for this. This creates the PIN that the user receives. The lock performs the same calculation process when it contacts the pyKey. It accepts the code only if it comes to the same result. By avoiding radio and RFID, the system is simulation and manipulation proof. With the ingenious system for generating the PIN, STUV can guarantee the highest security standard. The user receives the PIN via different ways. In order to prevent anonymous queries, registration must be carried out beforehand. In this way, the user can be traced for each locking process that has taken place. The opening codes can be sent automatically and encrypted via app. In this way, service providers or employees can easily be given access, controlled, and from anywhere in the world. The access data can be sent via SMS, email, or telephone if desired. For larger systems, there is no quantity limit for locks or systems. pylocx is absolutely maintenance-free. It is independent of a power supply and therefore functions reliably and free of malfunction in the event of power failures, even at extreme temperatures from -40 to +65 degrees Celsius. The pylocx system is not only installed in Euro cylinders, but also in ATMs, transport and storage containers, pallet enclosures, suitcases, key safes, and key cabinets. It is designed for high security environments. It can be used in a wide range of applications, for example, for industrial plants, server cabinets, trucks, safes, machine control units, cash register systems, alarm systems, ticket machines, gates, and much more. STUV offers a nationwide consulting and installation service. The most secure lock in the world. pylocx.